Things to consider when thinking to move to Mexico. Although many Mexican people know English, you will be dealing with people in daily transactions that don't. The monetary system is the Mexican peso, which fluctuates constantly. Driving in Mexico is different. There are unspoken rules that are common sense based that you will have to learn. Although many people do, there are a lack of streetlights and road hazards can become an issue, along with robberies that can become life-threatening. Be prepared not to find products that you are used to. Mexico has its own. There are some stores that cater to the Americans, but depending on where you choose to live, depending on the type of area that you're planning to live in, these are there for added security. Mexico has delivery services such as Amazon, FedEx, but for daily mail, no. Sometimes it's almost like you have to know a guy to find what you need. I suggest you set your mind to be open and your attitude on pause, because it's different here. Please like and subscribe.